Hey Daniela, how are you doing?
Doing great, Alexander. How are you today?
Well, I was okay until I just spoke with the team and they said that you've got some challenge for me, and they've just put a wig in front of me on a head and told me to come over here and talk to you. So, sounds like you're up to your usual tricks, Danny. What's going on?
So I need you to do a challenge makeover for me in 5 minutes.
Are you being serious?
Yes, I am serious. I can do it, so can you.
Oh, right. Okay. All right. Well, listen. Thanks for the challenge. I'll do my best. And if this win, lose or draw, I'm going to get you back for this.
I'm waiting.
All right. Thank you. I best go do my challenge.
Bye now.
Bye. Bye. Okay. I'm not sure how much of that you got. But that was Danny on the phone, the Texas Wig Fairy. Yes, Danny, this one of our social sisters. She's just literally thrown down a challenge for me. The challenge is, can I do a makeover in 5 minutes? Ordinarily, yeah, I don't know, it's going to be close. They've plonked this wig in front of me, which by the looks of it is a seduction, and I think that's probably in molten amber, which is one of my favourite colours. So 10 out of 10 for the wig choice anyway, Danny, and the colour, because, you know, that's made my life easy for me. But, yeah, do you know what? I'm going to take the challenge, and then when I've completed my challenge, I'm going to send a challenge back to you, ladies. So, get the timer ready, team, please.
It's ready, and 3, 2, 1,
right.
Go!
So, I did it. I'm just going to ask one of the what was my time?
You had 5 seconds to spare, 4 minutes and 55 seconds.
So, Danny, I did it. I accepted your challenge and I managed it. Granted, only 5 seconds to spare, but you know, rather 5 seconds that side than the other side. Let me get creative. Let me have a think, and I promise you I'm going to send you an amazing challenge. I don't know how long it's going to be. I don't know what it's going to be. I don't know when it's going to be. But you be waiting. I will be sending a challenge to both of you at some point. So, for our viewers back home, I hope you enjoyed my scary challenge from my two social sisters, and I hope you enjoyed the technique. Today I used a ribbon scrunchie, and I basically got it into a plait as quick as I possibly could, and tied it into a nice side pony, and changed the full fringe to a side with fringe just by sleeking that across. I hope you've enjoyed it, because I'm absolutely shattered, so I'm going to go for a lay down. And if you have enjoyed it, please direct message us, tell us what you enjoyed about today, tell us if there's anything else you want to see, or please, if you have any good ideas for Danny or for Abby for a challenge that I can send them, please direct message us and let me know, because I would love to hear them. So from us all here, René of Paris and Aderans, thank you for tuning in. Remember to follow us on social media, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.